Hello and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I am Jessica, the knitter and designer behind Snickerdoodle Knits. Today we are going to talk about how to purl two together. This is a simple method of decreasing stitches in pattern. To get started, you will need your project with your working stitches on your needle, and of course your yarn and your knitting needles. Okay, let's demonstrate the purl two together. I'll do purl two and then purl two together. Purl one, purl two, and then we will just purl two together as if they are one. So bring your right needle through the first stitch, through the second stitch, purl those stitches together, and slide both stitches off the left needle. Alright, purl two more, and then purl two together. Just like that. Now you can see that we have decreased our stitches. Congratulations! You now know how to purl two together. It makes decreasing simple and easy. If you are interested in more knitting tutorials, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel, sign up for tutorial notifications by either clicking the notification bell or signing up for emails via our newsletter. And we hope to see you back again soon. Happy knitting!